For today's video, we will again do an exercise that concerns 3D drawing. And same as the previous one, we will derive this 3D drawing from its 2D versions, which is these three different views. As you can see, this is the front view of our desired 3D drawing. However, we will not fully use this front view in order to achieve our 3D drawing, but instead we will just use some part of this 2D drawing and apply some modifications on it. First, change our drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. And change our model views from top to SW isometric, just like that. And now what we want to do is erase this part of the 2D and insert a circle whose center is on the midpoint of this line segment and that has a diameter of 18. Now we will apply the 3DR for 3D rotate. And then we'll select these objects and press enter. And just like that. Then next, apply 3D rotate on this particular circle. And there we go. Now we can use the extrude command by just typing EXT. And then select the object to extrude, then press enter and specify the height or width of extrusion, which is 11. Then extrude also this circle, EXT, select the object and then specify its extrusion level, which is 11. And then we will insert a line, a reference line, starting on this endpoint, and it should have a length of 18. Center. Now we should copy this existing side of our object. And there we go. Now we can delete our reference line and we have almost the half of our object. Now we can extrude this side of the object and it should be up to this point. And there go. To have a better view of our 3D drawing, we can change the visual style to shaded. And currently, we have this kind of figure. Now we can go back on our 2D wireframe to create again a reference line and move this circle. Here. Now we can delete this reference line and extrude this particular circle with a height of extrusion of 32. Now we can go on our shaded visual style and apply the subtract command. First, select our base object and then the object that we want to be removed. Press enter. Again, select the base object and then the object that we want to be removed. And there go. And after removing all the unnecessary and unwanted parts of our 3D drawing, we can combine all of the parts of our 3D drawing by the use of union command. Select all the objects, then press enter. Now all of them combined as one. And there we go. This is our final output on creating a 3D drawing.